The Arctic is a region that is renowned for its extraordinary beauty, which is shown by its vast frozen landscapes and its unique species of animals. This video takes you through some of the Arctic's most stunning natural beauty. It will showcase not only the gorgeous landscapes of the Arctic, but also the unique species that live there. Did you know that some of the Arctic's fjords are so deep that entire skyscrapers could fit inside them? The fjords of the Arctic provide some of the most breathtaking scenery in the region. Glaciers carve these deep valleys with majestic, quiet streams and high cliffs on each side. Not only are the fjords in the Norwegian archipelago of Svalbard physically magnificent, but they are also alive with wildlife, which is a result of the protected status of the territory. Scoresbysund, which is located in Greenland, is the biggest fjord system in the world. It spans around 38,000 kilometers per square kilometer and may reach depths of up to 1,450 meters. The spectacular grandeur of the Ilulissat Ice Fjord, which is located in the western region of Greenland, has earned it the status of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This 400-kilometer-long ice fjord is full of massive icebergs calved from the world's fastest glacier, the Jakobshavn Glacier. Ilulissat, which is the third largest town in Greenland, is known for its stunning vistas, which include residences that are brilliantly painted and placed against the background of towering ice formations. Treeless expanses and permafrost-coated land distinguish the Arctic tundra as a particularly distinctive biome. There is a surge of life during the short summer months, with wildflowers blossoming and other wildlife appearing, although it stays frozen for most of the year. It is possible to see grazing animals like musk oxen, reindeer, Arctic foxes, and hares. Additionally, migrating birds such as falcons and loons may be seen during their visits to the area. Northeast Greenland National Park is the biggest national park in the world, containing over 972,000 kilometers of land and covering an area that is greater than the majority of nations together. This enormous protected region is home to a wide variety of Arctic animals, such as musk oxen, reindeer, and Arctic hares, among others. This park's distant and undisturbed landscapes provide a look into the Arctic's natural splendor that has not yet been discovered. What are the reasons why millions of seabirds visit these towering cliffs in Iceland each year? And what are the characteristics that make this location a delight for birdwatchers? The Latrabjarg Cliffs, which are located in Iceland's West Fjords, are among the countries with the highest concentration of seabird nesting grounds in the world. There are millions of seabirds that call these cliffs their home, including guillemots, razorbills, fulmars, kittiwakes, and puffins. Particularly at the time of year when birds are breeding, the cliffs provide a wealth of chances for birding and photography. Located in northern Norway near the Arctic Circle, the Vega Archipelago is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its unique cultural landscape. A sustainable method of farming eider ducks has been managed by the locals for more than 1,500 years. This method involves collecting the downed birds without causing any damage to them. The ancient ways of living in the Arctic may be better understood by examining the harmonious interaction that exists between people and the environment. Devon Island, which is the world's biggest uninhabited island, is located in Baffin Bay, which is located in Canada. Due to the fact that it is characterized by its desolate terrain, glacial valleys, and mountains with flat summits, it has been given the moniker Mars on Earth, which has made it an interesting location for scientific study and exploration. The aurora borealis, often known as the Northern Lights, is one of the most captivating natural phenomena that can be seen in the Arctic. It lights up the night sky with brilliant displays of color. This ethereal light display is the result of solar particles colliding with the magnetic field of the Earth, which results in the creation of shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple lights that dance over the night sky. How do animals like the polar bear, Arctic fox, and narwhal not only survive but thrive in one of the coldest places on the planet? The Arctic is home to a wide variety of animals that have developed a special adaptation to the extreme circumstances that it faces. An example of an iconic species is the polar bear, which is often referred to as the king of the Arctic due to its need for sea ice for the purpose of hunting seals. Arctic foxes, who are noted for their thick coats and bushy tails, are very skilled hunters and scavengers. On the other hand, the elusive narwhal, which is sometimes referred to as the unicorn of the sea, is able to cross the cold seas with its distinctively long tusk. In addition to being spectacular, the glacier landscapes of the Arctic are also active. Glaciers of enormous scale tear their way through mountains, forming valleys and fjords, while icebergs of varied sizes float across the icy seas. The constantly shifting ice formations are a reflection of the meteorological conditions of the area and play an important part in the system that governs the climate on a global scale. In addition to its extraordinary natural features, the Arctic is home to a plethora of indigenous civilizations that have flourished for millennia. Several indigenous communities, like the Inuit, the Sami, and the Chukchi, have created distinctive customs, dialects, and ways of life that are intricately related to the environment of the Arctic. The information and techniques that they possess provide vital insights into living sustainably in harsh environments. There is a wide diversity of plant life that has adapted to the severe environment of the Arctic, which includes short growth seasons and soils that are permanently frozen. There are bursts of color that are added to the mostly white backdrop during the summer months, when tundra landscapes spring to life with mosses, lichens, and blooming plants, such as Arctic poppies and purple saxifrage. Is it possible that the melting of ice in the Arctic might be the key to comprehending the outlook for the climate of our planet? The Arctic is characterized by its sea ice, which has a significant impact on the temperature, the circulation of the ocean, and the habitats of a wide variety of animals. In addition, glaciers calve, which results in the release of icebergs that travel across the waters of the Arctic. Seasonal fluctuations are responsible for the development and melting of sea ice. Not only are these ice structures very important to the environment, but they also make a significant contribution to the breathtaking visual panorama of the Arctic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more.